Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to style your natural hair in low manipulation hairstyle that is so gentle for your edges and that you can keep in for at least 2 weeks without using any rubber bands. Like the style came out very nice. So we are making a part, as you can see. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much dear friends for your love and your support. So on this channel, I do upload videos every day on class like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, how to have flawless skin without using toxic ingredients, and how to take care of your natural hair. So we are going to make a part, as you can see, and then I'm going to use Isoplus age control gel. So actually I reviewed this product. I'm going to link it in the description box below so that we can check it out. Some people this product, actually some people say it doesn't work for them, but it does work for me. Yes, so if something is working for you, keep using it, right? Yes, so comment in the section below friends. I would love to hear from you and share this video. Yes, so I'm going to apply it on the perimeter of the braids section that we want to kind of braid. So I'll lather it on the perimeter of the hair, and then I'm going to use a cotton thread. Usually when I use rubber bands, I experience breakage, so I'm avoiding to use rubber bands. So I've just cut some cotton thread in sizable centimeters. So this is what we're going to use, friends. So I'll just like twirl the thread around, not to the rest of the hair. And it's so gentle, friends, like you won't experience any tension on your edges. You can try this hairstyle. Yes, so that is how the face looks like. As you can see, it's very loose, friends. So if you are struggling with thinning edges, make sure that you avoid high maintenance hairstyles. So personally, I don't like high maintenance hairstyles. I don't like hairstyles like which makes me spend a lot of time, and I don't go to salons. Like, I do take care of my own natural hair. So I'll continue doing what I'm doing, friends. Make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So I'll continue doing what I'm doing. Yes. at this point we are done. So like you can do any style that you can do. I'm telling you friends, you can do a lot of styles after doing this. But today what I'm going to do, I'm just going to twist each section and then I'll clip the twist um together, and you see how it came out. Like it came out very nice. So I just wanted to do something without any added hair. Like I wanted to add some Mali braid, but say I had some second thoughts. I didn't want to. I just wanted to do it with my natural hair. So you can do whatever your preference is. Yes, so subscribe to our channel friends, give this video a like, comment in the section below, share in groups where you think they can benefit, or probably you have a friend who might be interested in this hairstyle. You can actually share to your friends and your families. Yes, so I'll continue twisting. As you can see, like a tightly loose twist. Yes, so like I really loved how it came out, and it is very gentle, you know, something which can actually help you to grow your natural hair. Like I'm on a natural hair journey to grow my hair, and you know it takes some patience. Like there's nothing that can actually make your hair grow overnight. You have to let your hair grow, pass through all the processes, and there's no product actually which can make your hair grow overnight. It's a myth friends, there's nothing like that. So comment in the section below friends, I would love to hear from you. So I'll continue twisting to the rest of the sections, and I'm telling you friends, like it came out very nice. So if you want to see how I styled, make sure that you continue watching this video friends. So I love how it came out. It's something beautiful, you know. Like I love low maintenance hairstyles which do not wreak havoc on our edges. So at this point we are done twisting. That is how the hair looks like. I think we have about 9 twists. So I'm going to gather the twists, and now it's time to start styling our hair. Like twist, you can actually do whatever direction you want your hair to go, or your hairstyle to go. So I decided to just gather the twist, and then I'm going to pin that section once I'm done. So on each section I used 2 bobby pins. So I'm going to pin that section like so, and make sure that you don't feel any tension. And then we are going to go in with another bobby pin. So I love how it is coming out. So that's the part which is done. It looks beautiful, right? What do you think friends? Comment in the section below. I'd love to hear from you. So we are now going to do the same on the other side. We just gather the twist like strategically, and kind of twist once I grab each section to make sure that the ends of the hair are tucked in. So at this point we are done. So that is how it looks like. I love it. Something simple, low manipulation hairstyle. without any rubber bands, friends. Look at that. It looks perfect. It's lovely. So I'm going to keep in this hairstyle for at least 1 week or 2 weeks until our next wash day. What I don't want is to keep manipulating my hair. So that is how the back looks like. Yes, friends. Can you rock this hairstyle? Comment in the section below, friends. I'm definitely going to rock it. Yeah, like it came out very nice and perfect. Look at that. It's beautiful, right? Comment in the section below, friends. Rate this hairstyle and comment in the section below, friends. I would love to hear from you. Yeah, so that is the back. I'm just showing you every section, how it looks like. So I'm so happy. Something gentle for your edges, friends. So thank you so much, dear friends, for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and comment in the section below. And I really appreciate your support. You know, I love interacting very much. Bye bye, and God bless you.